community areas widget makes it really easy for you to feature areas with images and show how many listings are available in each one. So today I'm going to show you how to set up that app. You want to be logged in into your IDX add-ons account and go right here to this section called apps. And it's this one called community areas right here. So let's go ahead and click on that one. The community areas widget integrates with IDX Broker saved links. So you need to have some saved links created before you use this app. To create saved links, you can do that inside your IDX Broker account. If you go to design, website, and saved links, you're going to have the option to create a saved link right here. Once you have your saved links created, they're going to appear in this section for the community areas app. Right here's where you're going to choose which of the areas that you have created saved links for are going to be part of this widget. So I'm going to select 3 for this example. The first one is going to be North Palm. So I'm going to click add, and it's going to tell me if I'm sure I want to add this area. Go ahead and click add and wait for the app to add the area for me. And I'm also going to add Miami Beach listings and Delray Beach listings. So let's go ahead and add that one. Okay, so now that you've added the links, you'll see reflected on this data the ability to edit or delete the entry. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this page so that we can see that. And now I have this edit option right here. This edit option is going to allow me to change the name, to change the image, or to mark it as featured. By default, the app uses AI to generate the image, and then we can go ahead and change it. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So now that we have our 3 areas selected, right here we have this button called Style. We can go ahead and click on it to select the design for our widget. In this case, I'm going to stick to Classic. It's going to ask if you're sure. I'm going to click continue. And then right here on custom style, you're going to be able to change the color scheme of the widget so that it matches your branding. You also have this show advanced settings option right here that allows you to add CSS code if you want to style your widget more. So now I have this code snippet at the bottom. If I copy the code, the idea is that I'm able to add this to any website page. So I'm going to be using this test page that we have. Go to my website editor wherever I have that. This is in high level, but you can use any website editor that you want. I'm going to find a place on this page where I want to feature those areas. So I'm going to add an element of code, and I'm going to drag this one to right here. This is where I'm going to add it. So I'm going to open this section and paste the code in there. I'm going to click save. And this is what it looks like without the widget. So I've just added it somewhere here. I'm going to go ahead and preview that or save it so that I can see the changes. Now this is the website, and I have my widget right here at the top. So these are the images with AI that it generates on its own by default. And I'm going to show you how we can change that. So let's go back to our app right here under setup, where we have this little pencil icon to edit. If I want to change the image for North Palm, I can click right here, and it's going to ask me for an image URL. I already have one right here, so I'm just going to copy the URL for that. I'm going to go back here and just replace the URL and click on edit. So area has been updated successfully. And now if I go to my website and refresh that, I'm going to see that I've changed the image for North Palm Beach listings right here. And that's it. That's how you add the community areas add-on to your website. If you don't want to feature a widget, you can just go ahead and click delete, and that's going to remove that area from the widget that you've created. So if we go back here, now I only have these 2 listings. So totally check it out. This is free for you to use if you have an IDX Broker account. All you have to do is make us your developer partner. So if you go to realtycandy.com/free, you have to do is click on one of the email providers below to let IDX Broker know that you're going to be working with Realty Candy. Everything with your IDX Broker account stays the same. You're just going to have access to this platform called IDX Add-ons, where we have this app and a bunch more for you to use.